solve tan square 4x equal to 16 where x lie in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Here they told you to solve, so you should find the values for x satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in the interval 0 to pi by 2. First, the given equation is tan square 4x equal to 16. Here you have tan, so make tan the subject. For that, you should shift square to the other side. Whenever you shift square to the other side, it will become square root. Not only that, you should consider both positive and negative as well. So we get plus or minus square root 16 is 4. So now we got tan 4x equal to plus 4. Tan 4x equal to minus 4. Now to get the values for 4x, here we have tan and here it is positive. So now you should check in what all quadrants is tan positive. It is all silver teacups. So tan is positive in the first and in the third. So 4x equal to get an angle in the first quadrant, we should do directly tan inverse 4. To get an angle in the third quadrant, we should do pi plus tan inverse 4. Now here, to get the values for 4x, here it is tan and here it is negative. So tan is negative in the second and in the fourth. To get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do pi minus tan inverse 4. To get an angle in the fourth quadrant, we should do 2 pi minus tan inverse 4. Now, remember this, the negative sign should be used only for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, you should not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, 4x equal to, before you calculate this, make sure your calculator is in radians mode. Now put this in the calculator, you should get 1.11. Put this in the calculator, you should get 4.25. Here 4x equal to, calculate this, you should get 2.03. Calculate this, you should get 5.18. Now the question arises, in what interval should the values for 4x lie? Question 2. More, how many values shall I find for 4x? To answer that, we do this. Here x lie in this interval, we should get 4x. To get that, you multiply by 4. So we get 0 less than or equal to 4x less than or equal to 2 pi. So the values of 4x should lie in this interval. When this happens, then automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should write all the values for 4x in this interval. Does 1.11 lie in this interval? Yes. So accept it. Does 4.25 lie? Yes. Accept it. Now to get another value, we should add 2 pi to this. When I add, I get a value, this do not lie in this interval, so you reject it. Now here, does 2.03 lie? Yes, accept. Does 5.18 lie in the interval? Yes, accept. To get another value, I should add 2 pi to this. When I add 2 pi, I get a value. This do not lie in this interval, so you reject it. So now the values we got for 4x are 1.11, 4.25, 2.03, 5.18. To get the values for x, I should remove this 4. So to remove the 4, you divide by 4 to each value. So here it cancel out, resulting in x. Put this in the calculator, you get 0.278. Calculate this, you get 1.06. Calculate this, you get 0.508. Calculate this, you get 1.30. So these are the values for x. This is our answer. Am I clear?